Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Seeraga Samba rice. First, it is important to rinse your rice meticulously under cold running water, continuing until the water drains perfectly clear. This essential step removes excess starch. Then, you should soak the rice in fresh water for at least 20 minutes. This allows the grains to hydrate properly and achieve a delightful, fluffy texture when cooked. Achieving the perfect texture starts with precise measurements. For every 1 cup of soaked Seeraga Samba rice, you will need to add 1 3/4 cups of fresh water when cooking on the stovetop. This specific ratio ensures the rice is neither too dry nor overly sticky. Accurate measuring is key for consistently achieving a perfectly cooked, separate grain. To cook on the stovetop, place your soaked rice and measured water into a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then stir it just once. Immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer undisturbed for 15 minutes. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and allow it to rest, still covered, for another 10 minutes. This step allows the steam to redistribute evenly. For a faster alternative, you can use a pressure cooker. Combine 1 cup of soaked rice with 1½ cups of water in your pressure cooker. Cook this mixture on high pressure until you hear 1 whistle. Then, promptly turn off the heat and allow the pressure to release naturally for a full 10 minutes. Resist the urge to open it sooner, as this natural release is crucial for perfectly fluffy grains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.